I was sound asleep this morning. Well, I thought I was sound asleep this morning, but I really wasn't. I was kind of like in between, you know, when you're dreaming about getting up but you're not up yet. Something like that. Well, anyway, I've been craving an Apple Crisp Macchiato after I had the first Apple Crisp Frappuccino the other day. I've been thinking about the Apple Crisp Macchiato. That's right. I know in the other video I kept saying Apple Crisp Macchiato when actually it was a Frappuccino, so I'm sorry. I know how coffee lovers can get when it comes to giving names and miscalling stuff, so please forgive me. In the other video I had the Apple Crisp Macchiato. Ha! Gotcha. In the other video I had the Apple Crisp Frappuccino. In this video, haha, I have the Apple Crisp Macchiato. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Yes indeed. So, I'm going to give it a taste. My wife had the Apple Crisp Macchiato a couple days ago. She was taste testing it. I didn't get to taste it. I had the Apple Crisp Frappuccino, but today I'm going to have the Apple Crisp Macchiato all to myself. That's right. Ew, that was a weird sound. But it looks good. Looks tasty. Hey, nothing else to say. Let me taste it. That is tasty. I like this better than the Apple Crisp Frappuccino because I'm not really a milkshake texture type of guy. I like my coffees like this, well, my iced coffees anyway. So the macchiato, the Apple Crisp Macchiato to me is delicious. Yeah, the Apple Crisp Macchiato has the caramel taste. I'm tasting little hints of cinnamon, and then the coffee. Man, all the flavors combined together. This makes a really tasty drink. So, hey, when the drinks come out this fall, when the Apple Crisp Macchiato comes out this fall, make sure you guys get one because I believe it is totally worth it. Yes, indeed. The flavors are tasty. I'm excited about it. And if you can taste test one of these before this fall, before they come out, taste test it. It's definitely worth it. I love it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna finish getting my day started. I'm homeschooling my daughter, so we got some work to do. And I need a little pick-me-up. This right here will do the job. Alright, see you guys on the next video. Bye.